we had a hard time last time recording the meeting.
Yeah, sometimes it's weird. I don't like Google Hangouts sometimes, but so we're gonna go ahead and look at CSS animation. So the first thing, if you want to do a CSS animation, you have to look at is the at keyframe rule. So basically, what you do is you say at keyframe, and then you name it whatever you want to name that animation. And within that at keyframe, you tell CSS what you want to change. So in this case, they're changing the background color from red to yellow, and the way you tell it what to change is within that element. You tell it the animation name. So they said animation name example. That means this animation will be applied to this div. And then you also put in the animation duration. So they said it will last for 4 seconds. So if we look at it, we run it, yeah. The animation takes 4 seconds to change from red to yellow.
Okay.
And so you can go from to, or you can also go percentages. So at 0%, the background color will be red. At 25, it'll be yellow. 50, it'll be blue, and 100, it'll be green. So this time it's changing to different colors. So I'll go ahead and show you what I did in my project. So, sorry, that's still 13. So what I did was I had a PNG image. I'll go ahead and show you the image. It's what's called a sprite sheet. You use it in game design. So I'll show you the image that I used. So still thinking about opening. For some reason, Microsoft isn't liking it. So I'll use a different program. I'll open it in Paint then. Come on, give me my options. There we go. There you go. It opened in Paint. So this is the image I'm using. It is what's called a sprite sheet. So this is just several images of a girl walking. So what I'm changing in my animation whenever I change is all I'm telling the computer which image to look at. So this first 0, 0 is the same, and then 50, 50, 50 is so on. So I'm going to show these 4 images really fast, and that's going to be my animation. So this is a normal. Then I also have it set to fast. Except it doesn't show up as fast to you for some reason. I guess the internet connection is too slow to show up as fast.
That's interesting.
So I'll show you it online. I already have it on my GitHub. And have you looked at skill 12 yet?
Say that again, Todd.
Have you looked at skill 12?
12?
Yeah,
No, I think I stopped it at 11.
because Brian is going to do 12, so I'll go ahead and do 12 too. So skill 12 is actually really easy. So basically what we're doing is we're using the transform um, property in CSS. And what the transform property does is it changes an object's position on the screen. So, for example, for translate y, if I set transform equal to translate y 300 pixels, what that's going to do is change my y value on the screen 300 pixels. So I'll go ahead and show you. Um, so if I set my transform value to rotate, then it's going to rotate everything. If I translate x, it's going to move everything to the right. Translate y, it's going to move everything down. And if I do x and y, it moves everything down and to the right. And I can also scale down, make everything smaller, or I can scale up, make everything bigger.
Well, that's neat. So this is the transform command.
Transform, and I'll show you the properties. So if I want to rotate, um, all I do is I rotate, and I rotate by radians, which is a form of it's a multiple of pi. So if I set transform equal to rotate 1.2 radians, that's what that does. What you just saw, the rotation, and I can translate x, that will move my x value, translate y, that will move my y value, and then if I just have translate by itself, I put in what I want to change x, and then I put in what I want to change y. Okay, and then, oh, because I have it in for the buttons, I changed the buttons, and I also changed the div. So that's why I have that in there twice. And so if I want to change this scale, I set transform equal to scale, and then the value that I want to multiply by. So right when I have upscale, I'm making everything 5 times bigger. When I have downscale, this function that I wrote here, it takes the scale and cuts everything in half. So that's it. It's actually really simple. It's not that difficult. So if you just take this code that I made as a template, it'll be really easy for you. So just take this and kind of play with it. I'll send you the code and everything, so you can look at it, and then just kind of play with it. And that's the best way to learn, I think.
Yeah, and I can have fun with it. Yep.
Yeah, so that's it, man. It's actually really simple. I'm going ahead and stop the broadcast.